Sawadee Krab, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of Thailand's most exhilarating festivals, Songkran. Join us as we explore the traditions, customs, and essential tips for travelers looking to experience this vibrant celebration. Songkran, also known as the Thai New Year, is a 3-day festival celebrated from April 13th to 15th every year. It's a time of joy, renewal, and of course, lots of water. At the heart of Songkran lies a rich tapestry of traditions. One of the most significant customs is the act of visiting temples to make merit, pay respects to elders, and participate in traditional rituals. But let's not forget the main event, the water festival. During Songkran, the streets of Thailand transform into massive water fights, where locals and tourists alike drench each other with buckets, water guns, and hoses. Now, if you're planning to join the festivities, here are some essential tips to keep in mind. First, be prepared to get wet. Wear quick-drying clothes and waterproof bags to protect your belongings. Remember to respect local customs and traditions. Avoid splashing water on monks, elderly people, or those who don't wish to participate. It's all about spreading joy while being mindful of others. And of course, don't miss out on the delicious street food. Songkran is the perfect time to indulge in mouth-watering Thai delicacies, from spicy papaya salad to refreshing mango sticky rice. If you're wondering where to celebrate Songkran, popular destinations include Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Pattaya, and Phuket. Each offers its unique blend of cultural experiences and festive celebrations. Well, that wraps up our guide to Songkran Festival in Thailand. We hope you enjoyed this journey through one of the most exhilarating celebrations in the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Sawadee Krab.